In front of me is unwanted V9, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app, and if you never used it before, tapping on Agree on the right. Then get started. Now you need to select photos or albums on the left, and after finding all of your pictures to get rid of, hold one of them. Now to select multiple, use this icon of one check mark and 3 circles at the top right corner. And to keep any of those selected photos, tap on the chosen one. Now to get rid of the rest, use the delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to access your deleted photos, click on Recently Deleted at the bottom left corner. Hold them like that. And if you wish to delete them completely, hit the delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to restore them, click on the Restore button next to the delete one. To select multiple and delete them from your bin, hold one, click Select All on the right and Delete in the middle. Then confirm your choice one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!